Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of SchrammGuitars.com, and today I'm going to show you how I cut the slots in the head for my H1A model guitar. Let's go check it out. Here is my jig for cutting the slots. This is square, don't let that bother you because the bearing that runs against this is not going to create a square hole. Okay, so this is the guitar head is going to run in through here, and this will be tightened up on that. Okay, so that the head will slide in there. Then I have a center line right here that'll match the center line on the head of the guitar here, that line. And then I'm going to plunge route using this 5/8 inch bearing that'll go on the router, and it will run around this slot here. And then I have a 1/2 inch spiral bit that'll run in there and plunge route the slot. Okay, so it's a 1/2 inch bit and a 5/8 inch bearing. Okay, now I'll get this all set up and I'll do the routing. All right, I have the head all tightened up, ready to slot for my H1A model. This part of the bearing on my router is going to ride against this, and the 1/2 inch bit will plunge into that the wood and create the slot. So that's what I'll be doing next. All right, now you can see the slot has been cut. And now I'm going to do the other side and repeat the process. So here we go. want to check it to see how it looks. It's looking good. So now you'll see me take the jig off here. And there we have our slots. Then I'll cut the ramps and then drill the holes in there. And that'll be in another video too. Let's get a closer look here. So you can hear now, you can see everything ramped and ready to go. This chip out's not going to matter because that's where the ramps are going to be. But there you go. That's how I slot the head. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video on how I make the slots in the heads of my H1A model guitar using this jig right here. You can build one of these too. It's pretty easy. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.